Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Coupang. First, familiarize yourself with the platform and its advantages for sellers. Next, gather all essential documents, including your business registration and bank account information. Finally, begin creating your seller account by inputting your basic company details. This initial phase is straightforward and sets the foundation for your online store. Once your basic account is set, the next step is to complete the verification process by submitting all necessary legal documents. Take time to learn how to navigate the seller portal. It is your hub for managing everything. Then, you can start listing your first products, ensuring each has accurate descriptions and high-quality images to attract buyers. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. Quick recommendation: setting up a store can be thirsty work, so stay hydrated with an Owala water bottle to keep your energy up. It's perfect for staying focused. You can find the link to grab yours, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's talk logistics and finances. You'll need to set up your preferred shipping methods and delivery options to ensure smooth operations. It's also crucial to understand Coupang's payment cycles and settlement procedures so you know when to expect your earnings. Finally, review all seller fees, including commission and service charges, to manage your budget effectively. To truly succeed, optimize your Coupang store. Make sure to utilize all available promotional tools to significantly boost your product visibility and sales. Regularly monitor your performance metrics to identify any areas needing improvement. Most importantly, provide excellent customer service. This builds trust and fosters strong customer loyalty, encouraging repeat business.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.